Here's the box that arrived from Irina. This was just released. So you have to just roll up Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Irina and you're very welcome to the channel. I am starting my morning today with a little bit of easy flow yoga. So I do the Boho Beautiful classes. They're ranging from beginners to intermediate. Now I only started yoga since lockdown, so I am basically a beginner, but they are so good. The videos talk you through all the moves and they're very easy bite-sized videos. Like if you want to do 10 minutes, they have like 20 minutes right up to 40-minute classes, so whatever you have time for in your day. I was just in the middle of doing a 20-minute morning yoga flow and the doorbell rang. The postman came with a package that I thought was going to be my shoe order from Farfetched, and it was just an order from Irina's with home stuff that we got for the house renovation. Anyway, I had to like run and grab my t-shirt really quickly so I could open the door. So let me show you the box that we got. I've peeled back my address, but there's two things in this that we're going to open. But first I need to use this Dettol to disinfect the whole thing, so I'll get that done now. Hello everyone, welcome to the bathroom. I am going to film my skincare routine. It'll just be a mini, quick, everyday version. I've just washed my hair and had a shower. First product I'm going to use is the Dublin Herbalist. It's called Everyday Cleansing Gel with apricot and carrot seed oils. And this is a gel product that melts into an oil when you put it on your face. So I just massage that into my face. This one is also good for removing makeup, and because it's oil based, it gets makeup off really easily. I take one of these bamboo washcloths and I rinse my face off with this. Grabbing a clean towel here, and I'm going to pat my face dry. And I have good news about the shoes. So I received the shoes, the UPS delivered them. The UPS guy, literally, he rang the doorbell, left the shoes on the doorstep and just got back into his van. So I expected to sign for them or something, but I understand that people are social distancing and all that kind of thing, but like, these shoes would cost me a lot of money and they were just left on the doorstep. But it doesn't really matter, we have the shoes now, so it's okay. Okay, next step, we're going to hydrate and moisturize the skin. So I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Serum. This was just released about, was it 3 weeks or 4 weeks now? I can't remember, but I have this one about 3 weeks. I've used a lot. So you need about 4 drops, I'd say, and then I add more if I feel that I need more than that. And I'm just gonna pat that onto my skin. Sorry, the lighting keeps changing because the sun is going in and out. So pat that all over and the forehead. And the idea here is to push it into the skin. So I tuned in for the launch of this product on the Charlotte Tilbury website. They had a live Q&A there when they were releasing the product with like Charlotte Tilbury and 4 other experts on skincare. So they were really helpful to listen to and went through all the ingredient list, and it's still available on YouTube. So if you want to watch that video, I'll leave a link in the description because I found that really informative. Such a nice fragrance to that product as well. So after I use the serum, I use the jade roller to really push the product further into my skin. These are really beneficial for fine lines and wrinkles. They are supposed to improve lymphatic drainage and reduce the appearance of acne and scarring. So you have to just roll up like this. The main thing I like about this is that it's nice and relaxing, and it's actually cold as well, so it's nice and refreshing on your skin. And they have a small side as well as a big side, so the small side is good for under eyes. Okay, now for moisturizer, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is one of their staple products. It says on it, instant turnaround moisturizer, hydrating instant in an instant. So hydration in an instant. So I'm taking a small amount and I'll apply that generously all over my face. And I like this product because, oh, that's a bit too much there. It has SPF in it, so when you're buying a moisturizer, make sure it always has SPF in it to protect your skin from the sun. So I'm just gently massaging this into my skin. Sorry, the lighting in this video is just so bad because the sun keeps coming in and out of this window and it just changes the camera so much. So bear with me, we're on the last product now. So this is the L'Occitane Almond, what is it? Soothing and Beautifying Oil. I like to use this on any skin that I have on show that day. I'm going to be putting this down my arms and it'll just give that extra hydration and shine to the skin. So that's my full daily skincare routine. It's not really complicated at all. Oh, the camera's not in focus. There we go. No. There we go. So let me know if you have any skincare recommendations in the description box. I'd love to hear your feedback. I'm going to get some makeup on and finish getting ready, and then I'll take you downstairs to see these new shoes. Here it is, everyone. 2 dining sets from Belique Living. So this one is the Ripple 12-piece set, and this one should be the matching bowls as well. See if I can get one out for you. It's hard to do this with one hand. Ooh, they're perfect. I love that. So nice. I'm happy with that. And here is what we have in the dining set: 4 dinner plates, 4 side plates, and 4 cereal bowls. Shoes. Here we are, guys. Oh my god. I absolutely love them. These shoes are the absolute dream summer sandal for me. I love the red. It's coming up lighter on camera, but oh, you can see it there. It's like really, really red. And the toes have white and red. See that? Love them. The shoes are on, and the main thing is they fit. Look at them. Look at their shoes. I am so happy with them. I love them so much. I'll show you in the mirror what they look like now in a second. But look at that red. Oh, you can see in the mirror there, look. So gorgeous. Excuse the mess around me, I just had to get the shoes on.